look at this one right here. This sold for 51 grand.
Yeah, interesting. So we can see, yeah, it's got an address there. We can see the owner.
Yeah, it's this house right here. Not quite as good a neighborhood as the last one, but not bad.
Oh,
And,
wow.
valued at 242.
That's another one where they paid just a very small percentage of value. I mean, they paid under 20% on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, got it for a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I guess right around 20% thinking here. But yeah, that's an excellent deal. The one before that was another excellent deal. Both of those are kind of fixer uppers, but they were picked up for, I mean, the first one for 17 and that one for
Yeah,
51.
yeah, for 51, valued at 242. So let's say once it's completely rehabbed, done nice, it's worth 250. And they picked it up for 51. They could put nearly 100 grand into rehabbing it and still make 100 grand profit.
Yeah, that's pretty comfortable numbers.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we're trying to show with some of these properties that we've been looking through lately is that, if you can make $100,000 with the deal and you can do it, fairly smoothly and quickly, that's going to be a pretty good return on your money. And you do that a few times a year, and that could be a difference for a lot of us.